In video number 3, we learned how to use get_rebase with feature branches. When the source base branch had commit updates, we used get_rebase to bring those updates into our feature branch. There's another common problem, however, that developers often encounter. When working on multiple features, developers can forget to keep their custom feature work independent from other feature or bug fix work. In this video, we will explore how to fix a feature branch when it is based on the wrong source branch. Consider this scenario. The develop branch has 4 commits, and we want to work on feature number 1. So we'll use the getCheckout command to create a branch feature/1. Now, while we're working on this feature, we add 1 or more commits, and things are looking good. Before we finish feature number 1, however, we decide to start working on feature number 2. So we use the getCheckout command to create a new branch called feature/2. And we start adding our fixes and enhancements for feature number 2. And you can see here that head is pointing to the branch feature/2 and the latest commit. Now let's take a look at how the get log matches this illustration. So here our get log shows that our current head is on feature 2, and feature 2 is based on the branch feature 1, which is based on the branch develop, which is based on master. And this reveals the problem. Feature 2 should not be based on feature 1. Feature 2 should be based on develop. So our goal is that each branch that we're working on should have its own independent changes. Feature 1 and feature 2 should both be based on the develop as a source branch, not on each other. So the question becomes, how do I fix a branch that has the wrong base or source branch? The solution is to use the command get_rebase --onto. So the first thing we want to do is make sure that we are in the branch feature/2, because this is the branch that we want to fix. We want feature 2 to be based on develop instead of feature 1. So now that we've checked out feature/2, then we will use the command get_rebase --onto, and we will specify the desired branch that we want to be the new source base branch, and what is the current incorrect wrong branch. So for our purposes, we would be saying get_rebase --onto, and then the branch would be develop, and the wrong branch would be feature/1. Let's see how this works in action. In the React Workshop repository, our current branch is develop. Let's do a getCheckout feature 2. Now if we look at the log, we can see that feature 2 is based on the source branch feature 1, which is also itself based on the source branch develop. This is the issue we want to fix. We will use get_rebase --onto. The base branch we want to use is develop, and the incorrect branch that should be fixed or removed is feature/1. Now, we have a conflict here, and more than likely that conflict is because once we rebased with develop instead of feature 1, the README in develop doesn't match the current README that's in head of feature 2. So we're getting this conflict right here. And if we open this up, the current change has the original README, and the new change coming from feature 2 is the one we want to use. So if we say accept incoming change, that's great. Now we can come back. Now I need to use a get_add to add these changes to the current stage. And now I can see it's ready. And I'm still in the rebase mode. So what I need to do is just say get_rebase --continue to tell Git to continue finishing the rebase process. Okay, it looks like it finished. Now if I do a log output, I can see that feature 2 is now based on the develop branch, the correct branch. Now the work for feature 2 can continue independent of the work for feature 1.